Are home prices in St. George finally dropping? Or are we about to heat up again? If you're buying, selling, or just watching the market, this is the July 2025 update you can't skip. Let's break it all down and I'll show you exactly where the market's heading. Right now, there are 2,389 homes on the market, which is a 37% jump from last July. Pending listings are up 20%, which means buyers are out there, but closed sales dropped by 7.4%. So what's going on? We've got more inventory and more buyers writing offers, but fewer deals closing. Now, here's what really caught my eye. Average list price, $803,000. Average sales price, just $564,000. That's a gap of nearly $240K. Buyers are not paying full price. In fact, the sales to list price ratio are averaging 98%, but most people are negotiating below that. That means buyers have leverage, and sellers, you really have to price it right or risk sitting on the market. Homes are sitting longer too. Average days on market is 72, and the median is 44 days. That's up over 40% from last July. And the absorption rate hit 5.64 months, which is up 30% from last year. We're leaning away from a seller's market and closer to a balanced territory, maybe even buyer-friendly, if this trend holds. Sales in the $500,000 to $750,000 range, they're still strong, with the same volume as last year. But check this out. Homes in the $350,000 to $399K range are down 37% in sales. And $1 million homes, they're nearly cut in half. So the sweet spot? It's about around $450,000 to $750K. That's where deals are happening right now. That surprised me. Pending sales in the $450,000 to $499K range are up 78% from last year. And that's massive. Buyers in that range are jumping on opportunity, especially with more choices available now with higher inventory. Speaking of inventory, we're seeing inventory grow across every price range and fast. Homes over 1 million, it's up 50% year over year. And we've had 12% more new listings in this year than we did at this time in 2024. So translation, if you're buying, now is the time to shop. And if you're selling, you've got competition. So what does this all mean for you? Buyers, you have choices. You don't need to rush, but if you see a home priced fairly, move quickly. You've got room to negotiate and less pressure from competition. For sellers, you can still win, but it's all about pricing. The days of throwing a number out there and getting 10 offers, we're not seeing that as much right now. If you're thinking about buying or selling this year, or just want to know what this means for your specific situation, send me a message. I'm here to help you make smart moves in the St. George market. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next update.